Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your general and love reading this October. So, yes, unti-unti ating matatapos lahat ng zodiac. Oo, nasa Cancer pa lang tayo. I'm so sorry. Dahil, yes, dapat mas marami ang pahinga ko kaysa sa gawa. Ngayon, kasi kapag pipilitin, lalo kong di makakapagbasa. O, di po ba? So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms, okay? At sa ating reading, So, mapapansin nyo, may confusion pa ako, diba? Struggles sa pagsasalita. Yes, still recovering. Anyway, so, again po ang tawag dito. Diba? Diba? Lag. Pagdating sa ating mga charms po, Pagdating sa ating mga charms, yes, meron tayo nung tatlo. So, unahin natin ito. Yung ating cord cut. So, si cord cut, bakit ko to hawak? Diba? Si cord cut, yan. Siya yung tagapag-alis ng MALAS, tagapag-alis ng alat sa buhay mo. Yan, yung mga pabigat, yung parang ang bigat, nakakainis, ba't ganito, hindi ako makausad. So, ito, pwede kasing meron kang blockages, may mga dapat pupunta sa'yo, na harang lang. So, ito yung pwedeng makatulong, yung ating cord cut in general, hindi lang sa love, hindi lang sa pera, sa lahat-lahat. And, pwede yan sa'yo. Again, pwede yan sa pamamahay, sabit mo sa front door, sa main door, ganun din sa business. Kung meron kang mga business, mga kahit small business, pwede yan. So, eto naman yung ating 2-in-1 Love and Money Bracelet na talagang maganda kapag dito isinama. At saka itong si Granter kapag dito isinama. Kasi ito yung parang magtatanggal ng blockage. Anyway, so, si 2-in-1 Love and Money. So, pwede yan sa love, pwede yan sa money, pwede yan sa love lang, pwede yan sa money lang. Both, pareho, pwede. Okay? So, meron siyang citrine stone. Okay? Ginagamit po yan para mas dumami. Okay? Pagdating sa pamemera, mas lalong dumaming customers mo, sales mo, tataas, mabibigyan ka ng promotion. Wag mo sasabihin, hindi naman. So, meaning to say, you're blocking. Okay? Binablock mo. So, dapat wala kang ganun pagdating sa charms. Okay? So, kasi ganun na lang din ang tulong mo pagdating sa kanila, pagdating sa mga charms, kahit hindi sa akin. Okay? Kung ikaw, balak mong bumili ng charms, tas magkakaroon ka ng doubt mismo sa charm mo, wag ka nang bumili. Magsasayang ka lang ng pera mo. Okay? So, yun po, So, again, for love and money, itong ating ito. So, kung ikaw ay lalaki, lagay mo sa red pouch. Okay? Hindi mo nang masusuot to, di po ba? And yung ating Granter necklace. So, si Granter, yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises at least twice per week. So, mas magandang samahan ng evil eye protection or para mas okay, ito ang ating cord cut. Kasi hindi natin malalaman kung kayo ba ay merong blockage. Kung may blockage kayo, hindi yun matatanggal ng evil eye. Yes, hindi yun matatanggal ng evil eye. Kasi ang ginagawa lang ni evil eyes is salagin yung mga pumapasok. What if meron ka na nakalagay na parang bakod? Hindi niya yung matatanggal. Ito yung pwede. Okay? So, ating cleansing kit is available po. Ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, hindi na kayo para maghintay ng full moon. By the way, may full moon kagabi sa mga wala pang cleansing and recharging kit dyan, o diba? Dapat din nyo pinalampas yun. Nakita ko lang kagabi. Hindi ko alam na may full moon. Yun, kagabi ko lang nakakita. So, anyway. So, Cancer, what's for you in general this October? What's coming in? In general, what's for you? Anong mensahe? Let's see, for Cancerians. Seven of Wands in reverse. This is Black Age. Yeah, this is Black Ages. Some of you could block somebody. Will block somebody. I don't know who. So, this is tension. Some of you. What's with that Seven of Wands? This is rejection, avoiding, saying no, mga ganyan. So, okay. Sa Four of Swords in reverse. So, yeah, pwedeng sa communication to. This could be an issue pagdating po sa communication. I don't know. Okay, yeah, the Two of Wands. This is Black. Pendings, delays. Pagdating po sa ang tawag ito, lalo online, may mga issue ako nakikita. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Swords, the communication. Okay, in general, pagdating sa communication or kung ano man, transactions, mga ganyang bagay, may chance pa ng conflict, may chance ng issue. Okay, so meaning to say, mas maganda, tingnan nyo maigi yung mga tinatransact ninyo, yung mga sasabihin ninyo before kayo mag-go, before kayo mag-no, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Meron ditong nag-block sa'yo na fire sign na pwedeng kakausapin ka. Fire sign or air sign. Okay? Fire signs, tawag ito, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? So, what else for Cancerians? The Three of Cups. May nananabotahe ditong friend mo. Hindi ko alam kung kanino yan. Meron ako nakikitang pananabotahe ng isang kaibigan ngayong October. Six of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you, there could be an energy of reconciliation with with an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? Reconciliation. Six of Pentacles in reversed. I don't know if this is talking about pagbabalikan or closure. Yeah, the Hierophant in reversed. Meron ako nakikita ditong mabibili ka. Meron kang bibilihin or mabibili mo na yung ginugusto mo ngayong October. That's nice. What else? Cancer. Okay, Ace of Swords. So, yan yung communication, no? Kalinawan para sa iba, closure, clarity, answers, transactions, energy ito, Three of Cups and the Ace of Swords. This is recognition, merit, race, promotion for some of you. Okay, so what's with that Ace of Swords? Justice. Yeah, justice will be served. I'm hearing marriage. See, the Lovers. Six of Wands. May proposal, meron akong proposal na nakikita dito, may magpo-propose. Meron nang ipapakita kung anong meron sa connection. Meron nang gagawing, ang tawag dyan, legit, o diba? May label. Some of you, pwedeng makakita ng kakonect or sabihin nating pwedeng makasama mo forever. Yeah. And I'm seeing this pwedeng through online mo siya makikita or makikilala. Yung iba dito na single. Okay? Yung mga nasa connection naman, may chance ng marriage. Lalo na kung malayo na, madami nang napagdaanan. Okay? Meron ditong mga energy about legal matter na pwedeng mai-issuehan or masasagot na ngayong October. Okay? Anything legal, mabibigyan na po ng kasagutan ngayong October. Okay? Yung nakikita ko ditong connection, pwedeng may chance ng age gap, age difference. Hindi naman ganun kalakihan na diferensya pagdating sa, ang tawag dito, edad. Okay? Yeah. So, so there, yun ang akin nakikita for you in general. So, tayo tumungo na po, no, sa inyong person, the person on your mind, Cancer. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow natin yung isa pa nating FB, yung FB page natin, and yung ating isa pang YT channel. Let's see, Cancerian, who is this person? Who is this person? Anong meron? Who is this? Who's this? The Queen of Wands. Every time na makikita ko tong Queen of Wands, naririnig ko yung song na Miss Independent. Miss Independent. That's why I love her. Tama ba? Baka mali ako. Yun, naririnig ko yun. So, for me, si Queen of Wands, pwedeng itong taong to is physically attractive, may ganyan, confident. Okay? Babae man o lalaki. Two of Wands. Did this person, did they block you or reject you? Or nakaka-intimidate lang yung energy niya? The world, universe. May chance na malayo. Merong mga malaki yung gap, malaki yung pagkakaiba na meron sa inyo ng taong to. Kung ano man, may mga sabihin nating iba. Okay? Ang laki ng gap or differences ninyo ng taong to. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron in general. Okay? Could be religion or status in life, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Pwedeng siya ay may kaya, ikaw wala. Oh, no, siya may kaya, ikaw may kayang may kaya, 'di ba? Mga ganyan. Okay. Let's see ano bang situation meron. What's with the situation? The Chariot. So this is you. What's with that Chariot? The High Priestess. Page of Swords. You're stalking this person, aren't you? You are. You're stalking them. You're silent. Ini-stalk mo tong taong to, Cancerian. They're not talking. They're not. Yeah, gusto mo tong taong to. Pero silent ka lang. Ina-admire mo siya actually. What's the blockage? Ayokong tingnan actually. Ayokong tingnan. The blockages. Kasi iba't iba to. Yeah, in general, there's blockages here. Silent ka lang ngayon. Pero even though you're walking away or maybe leaving them behind or nakatalikod ka, it's like nakapaling yung ulo mo. Kung makikita nyo to. See? Ganyan. Kahit ang pangit ng ating camera, intindihin nyo na lang. Ganyan ng itsurahan ng energy mo or ng sa situation. Somebody is walking away or parang okay, yaan ko na lang to, mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Pero still, there's something like baka sakali pa. Ay, nagbabaka sakali. Let's see their emotions. Ang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo. Okay. Pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap nito ngayon. Sa totoo lang. Anong kanyang emotion ngayon? Page of Cups in reverse. May kasalanan ka ba dito or what? Seven of Wands. There's tension here. I think the person likes you though. Yeah, they like you. Hindi lang nila pinapahalata, the Seven of Wands. See? The Moon. This is secrets. I think the person likes you. If this is a past person, they still like you. Your ex, still. Okay, still. Wants this connection, maybe you. You're mirroring each other, I guess. Yeah. Kuliglig, huni ng kuliglig ang naririnig ko dito, mga Cancerian. Huni. Paano ang huni ng kuliglig? Kailan nyo naririnig yon? Kapag tahimik. Ay! Kapag gabi na. No? Tingnan natin. What is their next action? Meron ba? Their next action. Their next action towards you, death in reverse. So, actually, hindi pa rin talaga tapos tong inyo. No? Oo, kung anong meron. Bago man to, ginugusto mo man to, wala pang nangyayaring connection sa inyo. Ayan, nandun pa rin yung parang napepending. Parang may kulang or sabihin nating hindi pa rin mabibigyan ng kasagutan or kalinawan. Para kayong nasa cycle. Why? So, tingnan natin yung situation. Death in reverse. The Fool in reverse. Ay, masyadong ano to? Masyadong may takot gumawa ng action. Meron ditong masyadong takot. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe both of you is afraid taking actions. Yeah, somebody is afraid. I don't know who. Could be you, could be them. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, wala tayong nakikitang magiging potential outcome. Ha? Mahirap. Let's see. What's the advice for you, Cancerian? What's the advice? What's the advice? What's the advice? Oh my gosh. Ano yun? Hindi ko nakakita. Ano to? Ten of Pentacles. Focus on your growth, career, could be, lalo na kung meron kayong differences. Sabi nga nung iba dito, nakikita ko, merong gap, pwedeng sa pamemera, mga ganyan. So, meron ka mga kailangang effortan muna. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. Magkaroon ka muna ng direction para may mapatunayan ka rin. Hindi sa kanya, sa sarili mo. Okay? Para hindi ka takot. Para hindi ka takot. So, the Devil in reverse. Yeah. Para maalis kung ano man yung mga kinakatakot mo. Parang hindi ka matatakot humarap kahit kanino. Okay? Page of Pentacles. May mga kailangan kang gawin, simulan. Okay? Focus on your growth. Career mo, pamamera mo, paano ka uunlad, paano ka magiging okay as a person. Kung anong kulang pagdating sa'yo, yun muna yung unahin mo. Kasi hindi ka makakaharap sa isang tao kung sa tingin mo, hindi mo kayang magsalita for your own, like, diba? Hindi mo kailangan ng, paano, kunyari, ay kailangan ko may kasama para makausap ko siya. You don't need that. Paano kung wala kang makakasama? Paano kung walang magsusuporta sa'yo? Okay? So, yun siguro, yung isang nakikita ko dito. Hindi mo kailangan gawin yan para lang masabing magustuhan ka or what. Okay? May mga standards din naman ng tao. May kanya-kanya yan. Ikaw rin, meron. Pero, kung ano sa tingin mo, yung parang kailangan mo pang i-grow, dun muna. Okay? Para handa ka o para sabihin nating hindi ka matatakot. Okay? Andun kasi yung sabihin nating ibang dahilan na nakakatakot kasi baka mamaya reject niya ako. Bakit kayo reject? 'Di ba? Meaning to say, may something na mali meron kang nakikitang mali pagdating sa sarili mo. Di po ba? Anyway, so there. So, let's see. All signs, Aries through Pisces, for you Cancerians. So, after nito, yung ating charm reading. So, Cancerians, Aries through Pisces. Aries, oh, I'm hearing they hate you. I don't know why they hate you. Taurus, they're silent, walking away. Gemini, they want to control you. They want control over this, over the situation. Cancer, they want to communicate. Some of them, they want to communicate, or parang merong gustong masimulan. Leo, parang andun yung energy na may galit, ayaw ko na, may mga ganyan, may pang-blame na nanggagaling kay Leo. Virgo, they're trying to avoid you, but they can't avoid you. Libra, they still into you, or maybe they into you. Okay. Scorpio, there's, andun yung energy ng unselfish. Okay. I mean, selfish. Ano? Unselfish. They are selfish. The Queen of Cups in reversed. For me, yung pagiging selfish na nakikita ko dito is sabihin nating healthy boundaries. They're like putting healthy boundaries from you. Maybe pagdating sa communication. Pero I think they want to communicate. Pero ang ginagawa nitong Scorpio na to is just like, hindi ko papabayaan yung sarili kong makausap niya or makausap siya kasi yun ang kailangan niya. They're putting healthy boundaries. So, Sagittarius, what is this? Okay, they want forgiveness. They want another chance. Capricorn, they want your attention. Aquarius, attachments. I'm hearing attachments with an Aquarius. Pisces, they don't want drama. Okay? They don't want any kind of drama. So, for me, if ever sa communication kayo magkakaroon ng drama, i-avoid nila makipag-usap sa'yo. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, there. So, yeah, water to water, no? Pisces to Cancer yan. Emotions. Water. Okay, so let's see. Ito naman tayo sa ating sa mga nagtatanong, tawag dito. Yeah, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay, meron tayong ring, necklace, and bracelets. Okay? And yung ating mga charms ha. So, ito yung ating cord cut. Na nag-aalis ng MALAS. And yeah, meron tayong 2-in-1 love and money bracelet with citrine stone po ha. And yung ating granter. So, si granter naman, yung tagapag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. No downtime kung wala kayong blockages. Okay, so Cancer. Anong meron? So, kayo nang bahala po ha kung paano ninyo i-connect yung mga signs na ating makikita dito. It's up to you kung meron bang connection. Okay? So, kung meron man, so pwede magpapatibay ito pagdating sa reading. Kung kayo ay naka-resonate, meaning to say, yeah, the reading is for you. Okay? Pero kung hindi man at naka-resonate ka naman, okay lang din. Paano po kung hindi po ako naka-resonate and wala din po akong nakita? Eh di wala, the reading is not for you. Okay? Huwag natin pa komplikaduhin. Paano po kung hindi po nag-resonate pero may nakuha akong mga signs dyan sa doon tayo pumunta sa general reading. Okay? Yeah. Gawin yung gabay yun. Cancer. 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 Oops. Okay, I think this is enough. So, we have here, okay, initials. Merong letter Y. Ito na naman tayo. Letter Y. Sa hindi masyadong makita. Y. Ayan. Letter Y. Letter Q. Ayan naman. Hindi na naman makita. Q. As in queen. Oops. Letter N. Nancy. Letter N. Letter A. Alpha. Okay. So, meron ding smiley. I don't know paano may didikit sa buhay mo to. Smiley. Okay. Meron ditong crescent moon. Dalawang crescent moon. Iba sa inyo may narinig ako pareho kayo ng moon sign ni person. Moon, crescent. So, a heart with a pink, 'di ba? Pink na kulay, o 'di ba? So, flower, a white flower. Kaya na naman tayo sa white flower. Baka naman. A white rabbit. A white rabbit naman ngayon. Baka naman, diba? So, a white rabbit. So, snowflake. Snowflake. Another crescent moon. So, a leaf. Meron tayo ditong shell. Shellfish. Shellfish. Shellfish, oo. So, a cat. Pwedeng meron kang alagang cat. So, meron ditong another cat. A yellow one. O, diba? Pwedeng yellow yung cat mo. Orange, mga ganyan. So, meron tayo ditong cocktail glass. Don't know kung cocktail or juice. Mahilig ka dyan? Mahilig ka ba dyan? So, and last is the mermaid's tail or the fish tail. So there, yan ang ating reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our every page and yung ating pong second YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.